So essentially what we do, we're in packaging. We work with contract manufacturers and we develop brands for their clients, or if you want to create your own brand, we can develop a brand for you. It's from design to packaging engineering, how the box should be open, how the presentation should look like, what is your target market, everything that you guys essentially need to hit the right audience for your own product. And here you have multiple products. It starts with boxes, different types of shapes. Again, it depends on the different brand that you're looking for, the industry, not only for the cannabis industry, but if you know, if you go to Costco, Walmart, any product requires branding and packaging. So we would do the boxes. We have the Mylar pouches. They work for gummies, protein, everything else. Here we got some free cookies, only loaded with sugar, nothing else. And from here, of course, we got the labels. We have different finishes, materials. Again, it's all about who you want to talk to. It's all about who you want to look for your product. So we essentially will print the packaging, we will design it, and after we're done with the design and the printing, we will send it to the manufacturer based on how they apply the labels. They have certain machines for manual and for automatic application. And we will understand what their needs are, adjust it so the final customer can be hands-free from this process. Different materials like hologram, foil, matte and glass lamination, Simpson Eye here doing his thing, and from food products, pet products, things like that. So Labels Lab, this is who we are. Here is Kata. She is our creative director. Hey Kata, Marlene is one of our developers of the business. Very nice to meet you. If you need anything, it's labelslab.com. Thank you very much for your time.